How you doing, guys? Today I'd like to teach you how to make some black cumin seed organic overnight oats. First thing you want to do is pour in your organic oats. And you want to add your black cumin seed. I use the powder form. Add a teaspoon of honey to the oats for flavor. You can add a little more if you need. Add some water. I usually add it to about the top of the oatmeal. I stir the ingredients. Make sure to break up the clumps of the black cumin seed. Cover the oats like so. Put it in the fridge for overnight. Good morning, guys. Woo, look at that oatmeal. Ooh, looks good. So now, just want to stir up the oatmeal. Mix the black cumin seed back up into it because it sinks to the bottom. That looks good. Then voila. Bon appetit. Thank you, guys, and enjoy. God bless.